Hello everyone. Today, we are talking about IRS Form 2290. This is the heavy highway vehicle use tax return. Many vehicle owners need to file this form. We will walk through each step. You will learn how to fill it out correctly. This will help you avoid common mistakes. First, understand what Form 2290 is. It's a tax on heavy highway vehicles. These vehicles must weigh 55,000 pounds or more. They must use public highways in the U.S. You need to file it annually. The tax period runs from July 1st to June 30th. The deadline is usually August 31st each year. This is for vehicles first used in July. If you first use a vehicle later, the deadline changes. It is the last day of the month following the month of first use. Before you start, gather your information. You will need your employer identification number, or EIN. You also need the vehicle identification number, or VIN, for each vehicle. Know the gross taxable weight for each vehicle. Determine the month you first used each vehicle on public highways. Now, let's look at the form itself. It has several parts. Part 1 is for tax computation. This is the main section. Line 1 asks for your EIN. It also asks for the tax period. Line 2 is for your vehicle information. You list the VIN and the gross taxable weight category. This determines your tax amount. Line 3 calculates the tax for each vehicle. Line 4 is for any credits. You might get a credit if a vehicle was sold, stolen, destroyed, or had low mileage. Low mileage means less than 5,000 miles for most vehicles. It's 7,500 miles for agricultural vehicles. Line 5 shows your total tax due. Part 2 is the declaration of suspension of tax. You use this if a vehicle is expected to travel below the mileage threshold. Remember, that's 5,000 miles for most, 7,500 for agricultural. You still need to report these vehicles. You just don't pay tax on them initially. Part 3 is for amended return information. You use this if you need to correct a previously filed 2290. Part 4 asks for information about the person to contact. This is usually you. Part 5 is for a third-party designee. You fill this out if you want someone else to speak to the IRS about your return. Part 6 is the signature section. This is very important. You must sign and date the form. If you don't, the IRS won't process it. Once completed, you can e-file the form. E-filing is the fastest and most recommended method. You will get your stamped Schedule 1 quickly. This is proof you paid your tax. You can also mail the form. Mailing takes longer. Make sure to send it to the correct IRS address. Keep a copy for your records. Thank you for watching this guide. I hope it helps you fill out your Form 2290 with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more useful content. Your support helps this channel grow. We appreciate it greatly.